Well, we set up about half an hour ago. When we did, you could see the shore. Now, lucky to be able to see the truck behind us. A major winter event has moved in. We're out on Mille Lacs. Isn't where we wanted to be. We wanted to be fishing some other smaller local lakes, but Mother Nature wasn't allowing that, so this is where we ended up as a backup plan. So hopefully within the next hour or so we can put something on the ice here. It's about 5 o'clock and it's going to get dark any minute here. When it does, hopefully the big walleyes come up, or even a perch or two. Shit, who cares? So stay tuned. Finally got one here at sundown, coming right up the hole. What do we got, Trav? There's the nice walleye. Look at that! Look at that, bro!
Holy
Oh my goodness! Bro, I think we came out here for the right reasons. Look at that. And you know, here's the thing. Here's the thing is I had the camera in my pocket because it's so windy and gnarly out here
this is your fish.
That it was freezing up on me. So I handed Trav my pole after I set the hook. Step back with that thing. Look at that. That's a nice fish, bro.
Yeah, this is yours. You gotta hold that thing.
We got a little team action going on right there.
Oh, I mean, man. That's probably a 20.
I gotta be 23, 24 at least. I mean, but yeah, bro.
That's bigger than 24.
I don't know. I got a tape measure in a pocket somewhere here. I just, let's go like this. Keep them nice and chill.
Hold them next to your rod, quick.
Oh, that's a good idea. There. Oh yeah. I mean,
that's what
about an inch short of the end. So
it's a 32-inch rod.
Wow.
Or well, from tip to tip.
There he goes.
Probably 26.
He's saying, ooh.
It's got some shoulders there.
Yeah, you want to pull my transducer out of there? Oh, I'm in it already. Don't worry about it. There's another one. Not as nice, but ooh. There we go.
It's a good fish.
This might be that legal one.
Ooh. We need the tape. That might be.
That might be that 20-incher.
Where can we find the tape?
You know, I don't think it's quite that big. But
A little short.
there we go. Second fish of the night. We didn't bring the ice shack because we didn't think we'd be fishing here, which was a mistake. And I don't think we anticipated the weather being what it was, but here we are. It's March 25th and we are fishing in the old blizzard conditions.
I'll go with February.
Oh yeah, sorry, February 24th. February 24th. I'll edit that out.
Have another beer, buddy.